Okay, so in the last video, we looked at how to create a slide, how to add various characters and props to your slide, how to add a background to your slide, and how to add music and your own voice if you so desire. Um, Now I'm just going to show you how you actually continue building your slides so that you have a working video. This video, while it is not complete, it lays out a topic area on active learning and the content that is intended to be shared with your students. I have done 3 slides so far in the video, and I stopped at 3 because I think it would have been enough to give you a sense of how to move around within the Powtoons workspace. So far, I have not named my video, so I am going to show you where you go to name your video, and I want to call my video Understanding Active Learning. And again, I created this video from scratch using a blank presentation, presentation slide, and this is what I created. I added various props and characters to my video slide. Then in the second slide, I defined what was active learning, again by just adding props. I wanted my learners to focus on the words, so notice I did not make my slides too bulky. And then here I talked about the benefits. Again, I didn't want to make it too bulky, but I still wanted to keep my learners engaged. So now I am going to play. I'm going to play the entire video with music included as well as my voice at the beginning. Understanding active learning, a short introduction. And here I utilize my full 10 seconds for each slide. If you notice, each slide has 10 seconds because I want my learners to be able to read my content. So those are things that you need to take into consideration. And at the end of my video, I get the Powtoons notice telling me it was created with Powtoons. So this should give you a good head start on creating an interactive video for your individual assignment. I hope that my explanation has brought some clarity for you and it has helped you along the way.